Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to create a heat map in Excel like this. Let's get started. Great. First of all, let's understand what is heat map. Heat map is a visualization or graphical representation of the data by different colors to show its priority level or pain points. In simple terms, a heat map analyzes the traffic in a given time frame. For example, we have monthly sales data in city-wise. We will create a heat map by using conditional formatting. Select, go to Home tab, click on conditional formatting, go to color scales. There are a lot of combinations available. You can choose any one to explore more. I'm going to select the first one with the color combination of green, yellow, and red. Once we click on the above color scale, all cells are colored with combinations of green, yellow, and red based on cell values. As we can see, all highest value are in green color like this from dark to light green. Middle values are in yellow color and all the bottom values are in red color. Let's see another example to understand the concept more clearly. Now we have a table with the temperature data set like average, minimum and maximum for last 6 months. Just follow same steps. Select range of cells, go to Home tab, conditional formatting, color scales. Now I'm going to select second combination because first one might not be suitable for this scenario. That's it. Now minimum temperature 14.6 indicates dark green color and remaining are in light green color. Maximum temperature 32.8 is highest heating point in this table, which is indicating dark red color in this scenario. In this method, you can create heat map to show data analysis in visual format. If you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel videos.